To divide.
Yes, to divide.
To divide equally.
Yes, to
Equally.
divide it into equal parts. That is called a fraction. That means now if you are having two bread or two pieces of bread with you.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, I have network issue beginning. I will left.
Okay, you can leave and join now. No problem. Okay, there are two bread with you and one part you gave to your sister. One part you gave to your sister.
Sister.
Okay. So this one part you gave to your sister, you can write it as a fraction. That means one part you gave to your sister. How many total pieces were there?
2.
So 1 by 2 is called a fraction. Total number of bread, the total number of bread pieces, how many were there with you? 2 were there. And out of that you gave 1 to your sister.
Excuse
Okay,
me,
so
ma'am.
it is called a fraction. You can write it as a fraction. How much parts you gave to your sister? One part
One.
out of 2 bread. Yes.
No,
So 1 by
Excuse me, ma'am.
yes.
In this fractions, we learn to multiply by 2 numbers.
That one it is coming. This is the basic of fractions.
Denominator.
Yes, this is the basic of fractions you are coming. What is the basic of fractions? That means it is lesser than 1. It is because if you want to divide the half of a bread, so half piece, it is not a complete part. So it will be always less than 1. Sometimes it will be less than 1 or sometimes it may be greater than 1. Okay, and that will depend upon the types of fractions. So 1 by 2, there are 2 parts for a fraction and one part is called numerator. Numerator, first part. This is called
Denominator.
Okay. Then those who join now, they will not understand now who joined. Yes. So that is about the fractions. Numerator. There are 2 parts for a fraction. First part is called the numerator and the second part is called the denominator.
Denominator.
So 1 by 2. What is the numerator? 7 by 5. 7 by 2 by 7.
7 is numerator.
Yes. 2. What is the numerator here for
2
her?
is numerator. 2.
Is called the
2.
numerator. And what is the denominator here?
7.
7 is called the denominator. Yes, tell me.
The total number of that thing is called the numerator.
Yes, total. How many were there total? 7 breads were there. 7 parts were there. You are giving 2 parts out of it.
Denominator means that dividing.
Yes, which is under that line. Okay, that
Okay,
numerator and denominator.
Okay, ma'am.
The top what is there, that is called the numerator, and what is there at the bottom, it is called the denominator.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
In the fractions,
Yes.
can it come like 1 by 1? Is it
1 by 1 is also a fraction. Every number can be considered as a fraction.
Can
but
it come like 0 by 0? 0.
Yes, 0. Division by 0 is not defined at all.
Okay, ma'am.
5 by 0, it is not possible. Very good question. Division by 0. This is wrong. Don't divide with a 0. But 0 by 5 is correct. But don't divide any number with a 0. That value is not found out till now. Okay. It is infinite. So division by 0 is not defined, whereas 0 by 5 is the same as only 0. Its value is 0, but 5 by 0 is not defined. Okay, very good question, which I forgot to tell. Division by 0, 1 you can take it. Any number, 5. 5 is a fraction with denominator. Can you tell me, Devadath, 5 is a fraction. You can consider every number as a fraction. 5 is a fraction.
Ma'am, so it's 6 by 1
5 is a
fraction.
complete number. But
Ma'am,
you
so
can,
it's 6 by 1 fraction.
yes, 5 by 1, you can write it as a fraction with denominator 1. So every complete number, you can write it as 6 by 1 is also a fraction because denominator is 1. What is the numerator there? What is the numerator? 6. 6 is the numerator and 1 is the denominator. Okay. So, and 7 by 5 is also possible. There are in types of fractions it will come. 7 by 5. 7 by 5 and next fractions, type of fractions, it will come 7 by 5. What is the numerator? 7 by 5?
7.
7. What is the denominator?
5.
5. 5 is the denominator. But numerator is larger than the denominator.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
The fractions, is it always important that the smallest number must be
No.
the
No. That will come under another fraction. There is no
Okay.
condition that now 1.2. If you want to take it as 1.5 chapatis, 1.5 chapatis. So that is also will come under a fraction. Full
So
portion you are not taking.
it is
So
not
that is also
important
a
that
fraction.
the smallest number must come in the
No condition for it.
okay.
No guarantee. No condition that smallest number should come in the numerator. There are, we'll study in later types of fractions. Okay. 7 by 2 is also a fraction. 2 by 7 is also a fraction. 7 by 2 will be larger than 1. 7 means 3. 3.5 it will come. 7 by 2 means 3.5 chapatis you are taking. 3.5. 7 by 2. There are 7 chapatis and you are dividing with 2 friends. How will you divide it? Each one will get 3 chapatis and 1 chapati will remain. That one you will make it as half. So 3.5 chapatis. That is 7 by 2. Okay. So that one will come in the next part of these fractions. So what you have to study means every number is a fraction with denominator always 1. Division with 0 is not defined till now. 0 by any number is always equal to 0. Is it clear? These are some general principles you can study. And the number at the top is called the numerator.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the definition for numerator and
Definition no
numerator
need. In a fraction which is at the top, then it is called the numerator. You can call it as numerator. And in the down part, then it is called the denominator. Okay. And you can say now how much part you gave to a system. That is called the numerator. And total number will be considered in the denominator. You can say no definition for it. You can consider it. Okay. So these are the important types of fractions. Any doubt in this? Any doubt? So we can write some notes connecting that. What about Rayan Rijo? He is not present. We can see some fractions notes.
Copy.
Yes. Wait, I will tell you to copy which one you should copy. I will tell you. Fraction.
In the paper.
You can write the chapter name. Chapter 9.
I'm in paper.
Unrolled sheet.
Unrolled.
In unrolled sheet you can write.
Excuse me, ma'am. I
Yes,
don't have unrolled sheet, so I can write in ruled sheet.
You can write in ruled sheet, but maths if you are writing and practicing in unrolled sheet only good.
But I don't have
Okay, now
unrolled sheet.
you write in unrolled sheet, no problem. Next one you write chapter 9. Fractions 1. 1 minute I will see what are the problems, you know. Fractions 1. Heading you write first.
Ma'am, should we write definition?
No, first you write the heading, chapter 9, fractions 1.
And what about the definition?
Definitions I will see now. Wait 1 minute where you should start. Yes. Next sentence you can write.
Can you show the?
Ma'am, so should we write definitions?
No. Before that you write it, definition. Okay, now you copy it. You can write. No problem. Definition is.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. I know definition. I don't write.
You don't write. Chapter 9, fractions 1. That is the heading.
Ma'am, yes, ma'am. Next slide.
Yes.
Ma'am, next.
Yes. Wait.
Ma'am, next, ma'am.
Yes. Wait.
Should we write the definition?
Yes, you have to write the definition now. Shall we go to the next slide? If you are not written definition there, you can write here as definition next.
Ma'am, this is the slide.
Yes. A fraction is a part of a whole. Number at the top is called numerator. Number which is down is called the denominator.
Ma'am, which chapter is this?
Chapter 9, fractions 1.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, is there a fraction is a part of a whole?
Yes, that is the definition for fraction. A fraction is a part of a whole.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
A fraction is a part of a whole, right?
A fraction is a part of whole. No problem. A fraction is a part of a whole. Yes.
So can we put a also?
Yes.
A whole.
Fraction is a part of a whole. Yes, you can write it. Number at the
Ma'am.
top. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we wanted to write the definition.
Definition. First, those who did not write, now you write here.
Then can you write number at the bottom?
The number at the top is called numerator. Number which is down is called the
And
denominator.
we can also write the number at the bottom.
Which one? Bottom also you can write. No problem.
Next slide.
Yes, wait.
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Next slide.
Yes, wait. All of you completed?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. I was having it.
Right, can you show the next slide?
Yes, wait. Yes, you can write it.
Next. Ma'am, can you show the third slide?
Yes, wait. Who did not complete? All of you completed now?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, no, ma'am.
Two.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
So today became so fast.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
the
can you
next
say
slide.
the slide?
Yes.
Please.
Ma'am, no, ma'am. No, finish. Now we'll finish. Ma'am.
And you should say.
Equivalent fraction. Oh, ma'am, can
Ma'am.
Who did
Ma'am,
not
what is
complete
this?
now?
tell them to take this. I am in last point.
Yes,
Ma'am,
Akhil, he
next
will write.
one.
So wait for a minute.
Almost done.
Yes, Akhil is writing still.
I'm next slide.
Yes, wait.
I'm saying him to take the screenshot.
Oh,
I
yes.
finished, ma'am.
Finished. Okay. So shall we go to the next one?
Yes, ma'am. Fractions.
Equivalent fractions.
Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Yes.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, can you show the next slide, please?
Ma'am, can you just slide?
And with the last equivalent or equivalent.
Equivalent. Yes, here Q is missing. Equivalent.
Okay.
Fractions that denote the same part of a whole are called equivalent fractions. I will explain to you what is meant by equivalent fractions. Did you
Ma'am, can
complete
you
the
show the
definition?
next slide, please?
No, ma'am.
Yes, Akhil. Ma'am, you just show that, then you can
Yes.
just show the next slide.
Yes, wait.
I will take the screenshot. Please, ma'am.
Finished. Christo became very fast.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, Ashwin,
the next slide.
Yes, now
Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Next slide.
next slide not necessary. First I will explain to you, then you can do the problems in the next slide. Okay, what do you mean by equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions according to the definition,
Whole are called.
yes, the fractions that denote the same part of a whole. Now how will you check whether the fractions are equivalent or not? Okay, whether they are, that we are going to do it now. How the fractions, two fractions are given, you have to check it whether they are equivalent or not. So for that, for example, I will tell you, don't write it now, just listen. Afterwards, I will give you examples. 1/2, two fractions given. 1/2 and 2/4. There are two fractions. What is the first fraction? Don't write it, just listen. If you are understanding, we can do the problems. Jibishan, what is the first fraction?
1/2.
1/2. What is the second fraction, Catherine?
2/4.
2/4. So if they are equivalent, you can say that 1 into 1/2.
When we will do some cross.
Yes, you have to
We'll
multiply.
cross
1
cross
into
multiply.
4. What is 1 into 4? Kashinath?
1 into 4, 4 itself.
4.
4 itself.
2 into 2.
2 into 2, 4.
Are they same or different?
Same.
Same.
Therefore,
they are
you can
equivalent
say that
fractions.
these two fractions
equivalent
are
fractions.
equivalent. So,
And
how
is
will
there
you?
any other way?
Yes.
Is there any other way?
Now, this is called the method of cross multiplication. Method of cross multiplication. Okay.
No, I asked.
Ma'am, I already know this.
You are already knowing it.
We learned in the 4th standard also.
4th standard also.
Ma'am, I didn't understand the fraction.
Yes. 1/2 is equal to 2/4. That means 1 into 4. What is 1 into 4? Numerator of the
Four.
fraction. 4.
4 itself.
2 into 2 is also equal to 4.
4 itself.
So, numerator of the first fraction is multiplied with the denominator of the second fraction. Numerator of the first fraction is multiplied with denominator
Is
of
multiplied
the
that.
second fraction. Denominator of the first fraction is multiplied with numerator of the second fraction. This process is called the rule of cross multiplication. Okay. So what is the rule of?
Miss, can you show the board?
Any doubt here? No. If the values are equal, you
Nothing
can
doubt
say
is
that
there.
the two fractions are equivalent. Christo, how will you write it now, Christo? Whether they are equivalent or not.
By cross
By
multiplying.
cross multiplying. How will you cross multiply?
3 5
First we will take the
3 5 are 15.
15.
3 5 are 15.
we will multiply the
First
numerator
denominator.
of the first one and the
Yes. 9 into 4. What is 9 into 4?
36.
36. Are they equal?
15.
No, they are not equal.
No,
9
ma'am.
into 5 is not equal to 9 into 4. Therefore, are they equivalent fractions?
No.
No. Did you understood how?
No,
to
ma'am.
write down?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you understood?
Nobody have doubt.
Nobody is having doubt? No. He understood. One more example I will give you. Afterwards, we can write.
And I have a doubt.
Yes, tell me.
I have a doubt.
Yes.
Well, you gave us two numbers. So should we take the new denominator or the numerator?
First fraction, you are taking the denominator, multiply with the second fraction numerator. That is called the rule of cross multiplication.
So can we so if we do the first time, can we take numerator and the denominator to multiply?
This one, like this only you should do it.
Can't we do the other way?
No. In the order you can change. 6 into 6 you can take first, 3 into 12 you can take first. Order is not important.
Can we take 3 into 12 and 6 in that also?
3 into 12 you can take, 6 into 6 you can take. There is no order is no
36
problem.
is 36.
Yes. So how will you take it now? Ivan, how will you take it?
I can show the next slide.
Yes, I will give some problems. You can do it. How will you take it, Ivan? Ivan, are you there?
3 into 12.
3 into 12. What is the 3 into 12? Adnan?
36.
36. What is the next one? 6 into 6. What is 6 into 6?
36.
36. Are they equivalent?
Yes.
They are equivalent. Numerator of the first, product of numerator of the first with the denominator of the second. What is the time? At what time the classes will finish? 11:10. Still time is there.
11:10.
Okay, so shall I give some?
No, 12:50 the class will end. No, you draw the next
11:10.
11.
Yes, next one you
11:10
write
the class ends.
cross multiplication.
11:10 relation.
Yes, now you can write the definition for cross multiplication.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell me.
When we cross multiply, can't we divide or add and subtract when we cross multiply?
Which one?
Ma'am, I finished.
Can we cross multiply
Ashwin,
with
finish.
Division also?
No,
Division
multiplication,
Ma'am,
cross
Ashwin,
multiplication.
only with multiplication.
Yes.
Slide.
Yes, this is the next slide.
Previous slide.
New slide, this one, cross multiplication. Multiply numerator of the first fraction with the
Ma'am, I
denominator
finished.
of the second fraction.
Ma'am, Ashwin, finish.
Yes, Ahyan completed. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, not Ahyan, Ashwin.
Ashwin completed.
Ma'am, it's so light. Ma'am, we should write this.
Yes, you have to write it now.
Now can you show the next slide?
What, Christo, so fast you became now?
Show the next slide.
Wait.
Please.
Who became so fast? Christo, Ashwin.
Yes, ma'am.
Multiply numerator of the first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction.
Now can you show the next one?
Yes. So I will- how many of you are not completed the rule of cross multiplication?
Ma'am,
Yes, you can. Still you are writing.
few more lines.
They are very slow. They are very slow. Yeah. Ma'am.
Yes. There was a left in between. I send all the notes in money, no? Money all completed, no?
Yes, ma'am.
No balance.
Finish, ma'am.
Finished.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes, ma'am. Finished. Ma'am, finished, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now all are became
Ma'am,
so fast. Yes, Sahara still writing?
Ma'am, can you show the next slide?
Yes.
Yeah.
Examples you can write. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not. I did not write the answer this time. Answer is in the next slide. First problem you copy down and do it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, sir, tell me.
ma'am, today we have to
Should we
finish.
write check whether the following?
Yes, question you have to write.
ma'am.
Examples. Check whether the following fractions are equivalent or not.
Ma'am, today we 2 periods.
Today I'm having 2 periods. Okay, we can complete it.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished.
That question and that. Ma'am, finish.
How you became so fast now? Otherwise, it was taking much time.
And we need to write equivalent or not equivalent.
First question, did you copy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is the first question? 3 by 5. 3 by 5 and 9 by
Can you
15.
show the board?
Not equivalent.
Only
Ma'am, it
first
is not
question you can write.
equivalent. Ma'am, it is not equivalent.
Yes, we can see the solution here. 3 into 15 is equal to 45.
Can you show the board?
This is the answer for it. First one answer.
Ma'am, I haven't wrote the questions.
First question, all of you copied?
Yes, ma'am.
Then you write the answer now.
Yes, ma'am.
3 into 15
Ma'am,
is
can you show the?
3 into 15 is 45
Can you
and
show
5
the
into 9 is
example?
also 45. They are equal.
Can you show the example?
Ma'am, can you show the answer? Ma'am, can you show the solution?
Yes. First solution, you write it. 3 into 5 is equal to 15 is equal to 45 and 5 into 9 is equal to 45. They are equal. So they are equivalent fractions. Second problem you can do in the next class, next period.
Excuse
more
me,
period
ma'am.
is
Should
there.
we write they are equivalent? Should we
Yes.
write they are equivalent?
Don't write all the questions now.
Ma'am, will you send
Excuse
this
me,
in
ma'am.
the WhatsApp?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, tell
Should
me.
we write they are equivalent?
Can you show the questions?
Yes, they are equal. You can write. Therefore, they are equivalent.
Ma'am, can you the
Yes. Next
Can you
period we
show
can
the
continue.
question?
Bye bye. See you in the
Bye,
next class.
ma'am.
Ma'am, can you
Bye,
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.